Which business should you start this year 2023? Please, there's a link in the comments of this video. Click on the link and it will take you straight to this page. When you come here, please, the time is running. Reserve your position. So fill this one. Put your first name, your last name, your email, and then watch the video. Go back to your email, click on the link, go to the dashboard and start your business. Please see what people are saying about this very business. Listen.
30th of January. Look at the payment I have received so far from Liquid. My first week is 9th of February, 460. Follow this chart. This is weekly, guys. This is weekly. These are weekly payments. I don't know the country where you are.